What a beautiful weather we have. Today, 26-degree, beautiful summer day. I am flying my glider again, my 6-meter ASH 26. And I just mounted my Insta360 X4 on it to give you guys a view of how we are doing this. Especially interesting is the towing process and also the landing, because I have no engine. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video.
This is my big 6-meter scale glider. I really enjoy circling in thermals, even though I don't do it very often. Today, my friend Stefan will tow me up to 300 meters. He is flying his big 3.2 meter super scale Wilga with a 140 cubic centimeter boxer engine. Here you can see I aligned the glider perfectly behind the Wilga and wrapped the line for towing. Both planes have a mechanism to cut the line any moment in case of an emergency. And now, enjoy the takeoff. During the glider tow, it is very important to always stay a bit higher than the towing plane. Otherwise, the Wilga has difficulties to turn and maneuver. Especially from our perspective on the ground, it can be hard to always see the correct position and distance between the towing plane and the glider. At our airfield, unfortunately we are limited to a height of 300 meters due to the Frankfurt airport being closed. And sometimes helicopters cross our airfield, so we have to be extra careful not to fly higher. Almost every plane is equipped with a variometer and GPS, so we can always know exactly how high we are actually. And speaking of height, this is the moment I just released from the Wilga and now I am free to fly. The challenge now, with no engine, is to stay up in the air as long as possible, and that's incredibly fun. We are searching and hunting for thermals every second, and we don't take any chance of getting even higher. Of course, there is a specific sector of where we are allowed to fly around our airfield, so we are no danger for anyone else or any car or any house. And I always fly inside of that sector. My ASH has two main control surfaces on the wing, flaps and ailerons. I constantly play with the flaps depending on speed and climb in a thermal. Now I unfortunately went down to around 180 meters, which is still enough to climb again, but it is very hard now because the thermals are usually not that strong. But I never give up. You can see the power lines to our right, they are around 80 meters high. Even though I am above them, I already have to start planning the landing. We are currently 2 gliders up in the air, and the Wilga is just towing another glider up. So I'm constantly communicating with the other pilots on the ground to make sure there's enough space for everyone to land. Before landing, I need to check my landing gear, and also the Wilga, which was just towing up another glider, is landing in front of me, but no problem. It has an engine. In case something went wrong, it can just go around. Now flaps are down, speed brakes are out, and I'm ready for the landing.